Habari, karibu sana to my YouTube channel, Learn Swahili with Yunia. In today's video, I am going to talk about how long it really takes to learn Swahili. If you're wondering how long it really takes to learn Swahili and not just understanding it but actually speaking it, this video is for you. I will start with the honest truth. You can learn basic Swahili in 2 to 4 weeks. Simple conversations in 2 to 3 months. Confident speaking in 6 to 12 months. But this depends with how you learn it, not how long. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video with other Swahili learners. Asante. What determines your learning speed? There are 4 main points that determine your learning speed. Number 1, practice speaking, not just watching. Number 2, pronunciation correction. You need somebody to help you with the pronunciation. Number 3, clear learning structure. Number 4, consistency. This is where many YouTube-only learning learners get stuck. Ninajifunza Kiswahili kwa sababu ninapenda utamaduni wa Kenya. A beginner may know these words but still struggle to say them correctly. This is where a tutor helps. I work with beginners who want a real progress through a one-on-one Swahili lessons where I help you with the pronunciations and guide you to speak Swahili using a clear learning structure from day one. My lessons are structured according to your goal, very friendly environment, beginner focused, and I am very patient. If you are serious about learning Swahili and want personal support, check the link in the description to book a paid one-on-one Swahili lessons with me. Also, you can write to me an email at awardmiriamjunia@gmail.com. I would love to help you achieve your goal of learning Swahili. When you follow the link under pricing, you'll see the various packages that I offer. Just choose the package that is suitable for you or the package that works best for you. Until next time, kwaheri.